Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Today was a surprise relief rally today. Everything is up 5, 6, 7%. While Bitcoin's actually up almost 9%, and other altcoins have actually caught on the action as well. Cosmos is up 21%, and VeChain is up 12%. So we've gained very well today. This came as a surprise because the monthly cycle I usually time with CME futures, and CME futures don't expire until the 27th. So I didn't think that we'd actually get a rally of this type until after Christmas, because we did go up from roughly 65, 6,600 yesterday to 71, 7,200 today, a rally of 600, 700 points. I did think we were going to get a small small bounce up after yesterday's drop, but I didn't think it would be this big. I'm actually pleasantly surprised, and this, I think most importantly, I do think the prices will drop once again, maybe like later this week, maybe over the weekend, before rallying after Christmas and into the new year. But this does give us a good amount of cushion for how far Bitcoin could drop before it hits that 6,500 area. Remember, last month, that was the low point. It was like 64, 6,500, and that was what it was actually hit. That was what was actually hit yesterday. So we can have like a double monthly bottom if that's the low point this month. And a double bottom a lot of times means a reversal in trend fortunes. If you looked since August, every month's minimum has been lower than the previous month's minimum. So if this month's minimum is about the same or slightly higher than last month's minimum, then that could definitely signal a reversal. Now, I had expected this month's minimum to be about 6,000, but we have 1,100 to drop before we reach that, and I think we have perhaps another week at the most to drop that much. So if it's not around 6,000 by Christmas Day, it's probably not going to get as low as 6,000. And like I said, if this month's minimum was only the same as last month's minimum, then I think that actually does signal a reversal. And plus, with some rules and regulations coming in for next year, and us getting closer to the halving, that could signal some really good things. Unfortunately, there's still the plus token sell-off, which will actually continue to depress prices probably until February or March. So I might not see a giant reversal in fortunes until then, but if the sentiment has changed and we form a double monthly bottom, we could actually see the next monthly bottom be slightly higher, maybe at 7,000. We'll have to see in January. So we'll have to, the next couple of days, the next week will be very, very important to see if we actually break through 6,500 on a drop and we go to 6,000. If we go to 6,000, that means we're still on a downward monthly trend. But if we if we actually hold 6,500 or higher, that might signal a trend reversal for Bitcoin and obviously the rest of the market. There's a lot of exciting regulations coming up, and we'll discuss those in the live stream in just a minute here. But just based on what the minimum was for last month and where the minimum from this month, let's just hope that we can actually hold the 6,500 area. And if we can, I believe that we can be on a monthly reversal and start slowly going up in January, February, March. So that is the insight for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.